welcome back to my channel. Today I am trying out, I'm gonna try out the expensive, beautiful, luxury Mer foundation. This is supposed to be a soft, fluid, long wear foundation, and it has SPF 20, and it is actually $110 at Sephora. So this is definitely the most expensive foundation at Sephora. I've never seen a foundation at Sephora that's $110. So I decided to buy it and try it for you guys to see if it's actually worth it. For $110, I hope it makes all of my problems disappear. I don't think it's gonna happen, but you know. So I'm gonna open it up. And I already touched it, I swatched it. I just couldn't wait. I know that I'm supposed to wait to show you guys, but I cannot wait because I am that type of person. I can't wait. Anyways, so yeah, this is what the bottle looks like. It's so pretty. I love it. It looks so luxurious. When I look at this and fancy, if you want to call it that, what I love the most is the story of the founder of Mer, which he was a scientist. So basically the founder of Mer experienced horrible burns because of an experiment gone wrong. So he basically just decided to take matters into his own hands and started doing experiments. I believe I read on their website that it took him 6,000 experiments and 12 years later, and that's how the miracle broth was born. Now, the miracle broth is a key ingredient in all of the Mer products. It's found in all of their products, and that's why it's so expensive, because dreams go from $200 and something to $300. So to me, it's extremely inspiring, and it just shows you that you can never give up on your dreams, because
just do it! Don't let your dreams be dreams.
So on one side of my face, I'm gonna do a sponge, and on the other side, I'm gonna do a brush. I'm gonna use the Morphe sponge, and I'm thinking of using, actually, I'm gonna use this little Sephora brush, the mini flawless airbrush. I am in shade number Natural 12. Hopefully this is my shade. Whenever I go into Sephora and they give me a shade, it tends to be the wrong one. I'm just gonna shake it up a little bit, and I'm gonna do 3 pumps. Wow, it's so liquidy. Just gonna dot it all over my face like I normally do. Looks about right. I'm not expecting full coverage or anything like that, because I know Mer is, you know, all about skin, all about looking fabulous and airbrushed and natural. I have this pimple right here that's really bothering me. I'm all about that full coverage life, so hopefully this works out for me. I'm gonna go in. I put a lot on my nose. The foundation smells so rich. I love it. It smells, I don't know, it smells amazing. It smells like a rich woman. It smells like luxury. I don't know why I keep on saying it like that, luxury. Probably gonna get it on my wig. I don't really care. It looks really pretty on, but is it worth it? Is it worth $110? I'm not feeling the brush. I forgot to put on primer. No. Whatever. Maybe this is better. We'll see how it really works. I am liking it, but I am not feeling the brush, so I'm gonna go in with the Morphe sponge. I love this thing. It smells so good. I just can't. I cannot stop thinking about the smell. It's covering a little bit more than what I was expecting actually. I thought it was just gonna be like a tinted moisturizer. That's crazy. It's not bad. I definitely think that I need more. So I already did 3 pumps and now I'm gonna do 1 more, 1.5. It's crazy to me how this foundation is so expensive and I'm using 4 pumps. Like that shit, that's not gonna last whatsoever. I'm not gonna lie and be like it's my favorite thing in the world. I think I own better foundations that are cheaper, but it's nice if you have $110 to spend on a foundation. I'm just gonna do the rest of my face and I'm gonna go out and do some errands and then come back and show you guys. For my concealer, I'm gonna do my 2 favorites. I always mix the Becca Aqua Luminous Perfecting Concealer and the Tarte Shape Tape. I cannot live without these 2. These are my absolute favorite. What I like about this one is that it's not as drying as the Tarte Shape Tape. The Tarte Shape Tape has just dried out my under eyes and every time I wear it, it's like a desert under there and doesn't look good whatsoever. And I'm gonna get my Morphe sponge, which I love. And I'm gonna start blending from the bottom up. And then really quick, I'm just gonna bake. My all-time favorite is the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. I'm just gonna contour really quick with my extremely beat up Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. Please don't judge. I've had this thing for ages. So for blush, I'm gonna go in with the blush kit that I got from Realher. This is what it looks like. I love all of these shades, so I'm gonna use all 3 of them. Oh, where's my brush? Oh, he's hiding from me right here. And for my highlight, I'm gonna use the Dose of Colors Desi X Katie collection. I'm using Fuego. I love this highlight. It's so pretty. Like, just look at the packaging. Like, it's gorgeous. Do like a little mini coffee break because I'm so tired. I hate this part. I hate it. For the lips, I'm gonna use the I Love Sana Hiii Colourpop collection lip pencil in 951, and I'm using the Girlactik lipstick in demure. I don't know how to pronounce it. So now I'm pretty much done with the makeup, and it is 7:39 right now. So I'm just gonna probably go do some errands and probably just watch something on TV, and then I'm gonna come back to you guys in a couple of hours to see how the foundation is doing. But before that, I'm just gonna use a little bit of Fix Plus and the scent Rose. So, update on the foundation, everything is looking good. I am at home and I'm just editing the video, and now it is 9:55. I'm probably just gonna watch the new Versace show, the Ryan Murphy show. I love him and I cannot wait. Hi guys, so I'm back and it is now 10:44. So let's look at the foundation, see how it looks. My eyes are so red because I'm so tired. But my makeup is still looking pretty good. I love how natural it makes my skin look. I love how long it can last. I don't know if you guys can see, like, my nose is looking a little strange. Like here around my nose, it looks a little bit like patchy right here, and my skin is a little dry like on this area. So I definitely do think that there are other foundations out there that probably do the same and look the same and are not as pricey as the LUMINOUS foundation. But yes, because of the ingredients in the foundation, that's probably why it's so expensive. So again, thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. See you next time.